Welcome to Papermaking 101. The first step is to bring the wood into the mill and debark the logs. Debarking is accomplished in a rotating cylinder drum where the logs rub against each other to remove the bark. Then they move to the chipper where the logs are turned into specifically sized chips so they will cook properly when they reach the digester. The digester is like a giant pressure cooker. The wood chips are mixed with chemicals and subjected to high pressures and high temperatures to break them down and dissolve the chip ligaments to make pulp. At this stage, the pulp is brown and goes through a washer. After washing, the pulp can be used for products like grocery bags and container board. For many grades of paper, the pulp must be bleached, which is the next step in the process. The bleach pulp is used for making white and colored paper for many end uses.
Now the pulp goes onto the paper machine, which measures about 20 to 25 feet wide and can be longer than a football field. The paper goes on the head box, where the pulp and additives are mixed together and forced onto a moving screen where water drains and the fibers interlock to form a sheet of paper. At this stage, the paper is too weak to travel independently, so is placed on a textile fabric called a felt. The felt acts like a thick towel to absorb water as the paper is squeezed by the presses. The paper goes into dryers comprised of rotating iron cylinders with steam inside. When the pulp was first put into the paper machine head box, it was comprised of about 99.5% moisture. By the time it comes out of the dryers, the moisture content will be reduced to about 5%.
The last stop is the finishing phase. In the finishing stage, paper is cut into different size rolls and then cut into sheets as necessary. Samples are also extensively tested to check quality. The paper is torn apart and may even be printed on a full-size commercial printing press to ensure the finished product is exactly what customers want and expect.
Throughout the papermaking process, the mills are largely self-sufficient when it comes to power generation, thanks to the powerhouse. Many mills generate as much as 2/3 of their own power. Additionally, every piece of the tree is used so that virtually nothing is wasted.
As you might imagine, with all these moving parts, maintenance is an ongoing priority and reliability is our focus. Reach engineers are involved in every step of the way, helping IP in its never-ending quest for process innovation, reliability, and quality improvement.
IP is a multi-billion-dollar company and a longtime leader in the paper and packaging industry, with businesses that include uncoated papers, industrial and consumer packaging. Headquartered in Memphis, Tennessee, IP employs 70,000 people in more than 24 countries. IP is committed to bringing things of substance to our world and to interconnecting our world, including our products and our promise to do the right things in the right way for the right reasons.